Declare a variable with the name password and initialize it to a 1234 string. The password variable stores a string, so it can be called a string variable. 1234 is a string containing numbers 1234. Add a click event to the unlock button. Declare a variable with the name input. Input variable stores a string so it can be called a string variable. Get the text from the text input whose ID is text_input1. Create a condition which checks if the value stored in the input variable is equal to the value stored in the password variable. If the condition is true, set the screen to gold treasure. If the condition is false, set the screen to empty treasure.